Hello! Today we are going to discuss the importance of using headings in your Canvas course. It is important to use headings when you are creating content on Canvas. If you are creating sections in your page such as discussions or assignments, the proper approach is to format the section headings. The best way to include headings in your content is by using the Rich Content Editor in Canvas. Please note that Heading 1 will always be the title of the page, the discussion, or the assignments. You will use Heading 2 when you are creating your content within the page. The structure of the headings goes as follows. Heading 1 is the title of the page, discussion, or assignment. Heading 2 is the section title within the page. Heading 3 is a subsection title. It is important to have your content organized to help the users orientate themselves and navigate the content effectively. Headings also supports the screen reader to navigate the content seamlessly. To add headings to your content, you will open a page, a discussion board, or a quiz, whichever section you want to work in. I will be working in the headings tutorial page. Once you have access to the page, click on the Edit button. Then highlight the text you want to have as the section title. From the toolbar in the Rich Content Editor, click on the down arrow located next to the paragraph on the second row of the toolbar. Then select Heading 2. For the pages that have subsection titles, use Heading 3. For example, Please Read will be the subsection title. So you will highlight the text and click on the down arrow next to the paragraph and click on Heading 3. Once you have completed adding your headings, click the Save button at the bottom right. And this concludes this training video. We hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. To view other accessibility trainings, please click on the Office of Teaching, Learning, and Technology website and click on the Canvas tab. Thank you for watching.